Hello, friends. Generally, it is the nature of every human being. If someone hurt us, immediately we wanted to hurt them. But what will be the outcome? This is what I wanted to share with you with the help of a story. In China, there was a farmer who had lambs, and he had a neighbor who was a hunter. He had not well trained dogs. So this farmer was having problem with those dogs because the dogs were crossing the fence and hurting his lambs. Though the farmer tried to request the hunter to tie the dogs so that they don't come and harm his lambs, the hunter did not take any action. One fine day, suddenly the ferocious dogs crossed the fence and hurted 3 of the farmer's lambs. The farmer was very upset and he wanted to bring a solution for this. So he went to a judge in his village. The judge listened to the farmer and he asked him, yes, as you say, I can punish the hunter and your lambs will be safe anymore, but you will lose a friend. He will become your enemy. So now tell me, you want your neighbor to be your enemy? Or you want a solution to safeguard your lamb as well as be a friend to your neighbor? The farmer thought about it and he said, no, I don't want to have an enemy as a neighbor. Better I will be friendly with him as well as my lambs are safe. Please give me a solution. Then the judge gave him a solution and the farmer started implementing it. He took 3 of his baby lambs and gifted to the hunter's 3 sons. The children were so happy playing with the new lambs, and the hunter could find that the dogs were trying to hurt those lambs. Then he understood, okay, if the dogs hurt the lambs, the children will be unhappy. So I have to do something. So he built a kennel for the dog, and the dogs were safely tied so that no more harm was created to the lambs which the children had as well as the lambs which the farmer had. So, and they started sharing because this farmer gave his lamb to the hunter's children. So he was very happy with it. So now what happened? The hunter started sharing some of the huntings, whatever he did in the forest. And the farmer also in turn started sharing cheese. And one day they became very, very good friends and they're very, very good. So my dear ladies and gentlemen, one can win over the influence of people the best with gestures of kindness and compassion and not by hurting and taking revenge. One catches more flies with honey than with vinegar. So when you get hurt, first instinct to hurt back will be there for every one of us, but that will never solve the problem permanently. Therefore, always try to solve the problems in a peaceful means. That is the way you can maintain peace in your mind also. Stay blessed.